Hi to all, welcome to my class number 6 on squares and square roots. Today I am going to discuss finding square roots through prime factorization. You know what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the natural numbers greater than 1 and having factors 1 in the number itself. They are 2 and 3, then 5, then 7, 11, etc. are prime numbers. Let us prime factorize a number 6. 6 when you divide it by 2 you get 3. Therefore 6 you can write it as 2 into 3. Now what is 6 square? 6 square is equal to 36. Now let us find out the prime factorization of its square 36. When you divide 36 by 2 you get 18. Now again 18 you can divide by 2. So we get 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Then again you can divide 9 by 3. So you can write 9 divided by 3 you get 3. So 36 you can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Consider another number 8. When you divide 8 by 2 you get 4. Then again you can divide 4 by 2. Then you get 2. So 8 you can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. Now what is the square of 8? Yes, it is 64. When you divide 64 by 2 you get 32. Then you can divide 32 by 2. You get 16. Then 16 again you can divide it by 2. You get 8. Again you can divide 8 by 2. You get 4. Again you can divide 4 by 2. You get 2. So 64 you can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now look at the number of 2 in 6 and number of 2 in 6 square. In 6 you get 1 2 and 6 square you are getting 2 2's. Similarly, what about 3? 1 3 in 6, but in 6 square you will get 2 3's. In 8 there are 2 3's, whereas in 64 you can find out 6 2's. That is, each prime factor in the prime factorization of the square of a number occurs twice the number of times it occurs in the prime factorization of the number itself. Now let us find the square root of 196. Let us prime factorize 196. When you divide 196 by 2, you get 98. Then you can divide 98 by 2, you get 49. Now again 49 you cannot divide by 2, 3 or 5. Then you can divide 49 by next prime number 7. Then if you divide 49 by 7, you get 7. So 196 you can write it as, therefore 196 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Here you can see 2 occurs 2 times and 7 occurs 2 times. So to find out the square root of 196, you just take half the number of 2's and half the number of 7's. That is, so square root of 196 you can write it as, which is square root of 196 is equal to 2 into 7, which is equal to 40. that is square root of 196 is equal to 14. This is how we can find out the square root of any number by prime factorization method. Here you have a question number 4 from your textbook exercise. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Do find yourself. Here is your answers. Do verify yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.